Hello and welcome. For those of you that are new here, my name is Sandy Cruz and I create videos and digital products, all things I. That means anything you could do with your iPad that you used to do with paper. If that sounds fascinating to you, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I have something new to show you. And in this design video, I am going to show you how to make some custom stickers in Keynote using iDesign shapes and bring them over to Goodnotes so that you could use them in your digital planner and your digital Bible. So as most of you know, I use iDesign shapes in Keynote to make my stickers. And what you're looking at on my screen is one of my sticker templates. And if I scroll through here, these are all the things that I make stickers. And what I've done is I've taken tons and tons of the iDesign shapes and put them in one presentation so I can just go sticker after sticker after sticker and create a whole package full of stickers to match any theme or whatever color or patterns that I'm using for any particular week or month. And so let's see, let's see, how many do I have? It looks like I've got about 117 stickers in here. I'm just gonna show you how I do it with one iDesign shape, and this would be consistent for every iDesign shape that is included with any package from the iStore. All right, so let me just show you how I do this. Okay, so this is one of the shapes and that I filled, and what I filled it with is an image. So I've gone to unsplash.com I believe it is. I'll put the link in the description just in case you want to go browse. But you can go to Unsplash and search literally anything: flowers, candy, stripes, trees, leaves, you name it. You could do a search. And they have all these beautiful photographs that photographers have taken and put up onto Unsplash. And they're free to download and to use in your designs. And so here's one. This is candy. I filled this one with candy. And there's the photo that I used. And this one is a flower. I love zooming in on flowers and getting something really beautiful when you fill an iDesign shape in Keynote. And that was the photo that I used for that one. And then this looks like it's some kind of a oil acrylic paint, and it's just strokes, and it looks like a variegated mix of some different colors. And so this is what that one turned out to look like. All right, so let me show you. We're going to use a different shape this time. Let me scroll through my stickers. Let's see. Oh, I know which one I want to do. Wait, I think I might have already passed it. Wait, there it is. Okay, as you could see, I was already experimenting with this one. And so this is already set up for me. So because I have put all of these into one presentation, I could just scroll to the sticker I want. I'll just tap on the shape I want to fill. And since this is a layered sticker, most of the time the layered stickers are grouped. So if they're grouped, the section that you want to fill, you need to double tap. So let's see, I double tap. So let me tap on the paintbrush. And if you ever don't see replace, that means you didn't double tap, and you'll need to double tap. All right, so let me go ahead and hit replace, and I'm going to insert from a folder that's in my Dropbox where I saved these photos. And there's the photos. All right, so let's do the candy. Now that looks pretty cool. But something else I can do is if I double tap again, I can use this slider and make the candy bigger. And then hit done. Okay, now I've already applied drop shadows. Like I said, this is a template that I use. So what I do is I bring in all of the shapes that I want to make stickers out of. And then I also apply their drop shadows. So all the styles are applied and everything. And then here in this center is a duplicate of the shape. However, I have backed off on the opacity. So let me show you how to do that. And I might put a little bit more opacity on it. Tap on the paintbrush tool. And I'm going to go to Style. And here in Style, I see my opacities at 72. And I think I could bring that up just a little bit, maybe 80. There we go. I like that much better because I'll be writing on that area. So I don't want too much distraction from my handwriting or my notes that I make on this sticker. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap somewhere outside of the drawing space or away from the sticker. And I want to select objects. And I'm going to hit select all. And then I get a menu and I want to copy. And this is how I'm going to bring it over to Goodnotes. However, if you make a whole collection of stickers, so let's just say that I add patterns and photos and colors to every sticker inside or on this presentation, all 117 stickers. Then what I would want to do is hit outside of the drawing space. And now I want to edit the slide. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the slides all transparent. So let me hit the paintbrush again. And then I'm going to hit background. And then I want to hit no fill. All right, so that erases the background for me so that I can just in one shot save the whole 117 stickers to a folder. All right, so let me say done. All right, so as you can see now, all of these stickers have black backgrounds. All right, so if I wanted to go ahead and save them all 117, I would tap on the three dots and then I would tap export. And then I would tap images. And as you can see, the slide range would be all. Now, if you just want to do 5, 4, 10, 20, you can hit all. And then you can lock in the numbers of the slides that you want. So any combination of slides in between number 1 and 117. But if you want all of them, you keep all slides checked. Oh, and by the way, you would want PNGs. PNG is the type of graphic file that removes the background from all of your images. And then, like I said, make sure that transparent backgrounds is on, turned on. And then you would hit export, which I'm not going to do because it will save every single one of those slides. All right, so I have already selected this and copied it. So now let's go over to Goodnotes. And I'll just go ahead and paste it on this page. And there you could see, and then of course I'll make it smaller. And I could make it fit in one of my daily boxes, or I can put it here in the sidebar. And now it's ready for me to, let's see what color ink I want. And this is going to be tricky because my iPad is up. So it's ready for me to take notes. And there you go. It's as simple as that. I hope that you will have fun getting some photos and filling your stickers with photos. You can fill any of the iDesign shapes with patterns, colors, and photos, of course. And I really like how it looks when I use photos. Fall is coming. Maybe some fall stickers. You can make your own custom fall stickers for your digital planner in Goodnotes. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you picked up something really cool to do when you're customizing your stickers in Keynote. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope that you will consider giving it a thumbs up, because that really helps me and it helps my channel. And until the next video, you have an outstanding day. Bye.